change must come, whether you like it or not. And this policy is a federal government policy. It didn't just come 3 months ago that they gave that ultimatum of 31st January. This policy was passed by the National Assembly. There was an act in the National Assembly. It was passed. Federal government signed it. The president signed it into law, and it's a binding law that gives CBN the authority for financial regulations and whatever they are doing. So it is a federal government thing. And for APC candidate to be crying, I don't know why he should be crying. He should be happy that this policy is coming at this point, because 2023 is not about bullion van. 2023 is not about cash and carry. 2023 is about capacity and carry. It's about competence and carry. It's about character and carry. When you show your character, you carry. If you show your competency, you carry. If you show your capacity, you carry. If you show your intelligence, you carry. If you show us your certificate, if you show us